All right, moving on. Today we're going to take a look at the universal socket. I bet you've seen one of these online and you wondered whether it's worth anything. Basically, the idea of this device that it opens and closes bolts, not knowing exactly the size of the bolt. It uses these springy pins and it is able to lock on the head of a bolt. Now it says on the device that it's compatible with bolts from sizes of 1/4 inch all the way to 3/4 of an inch. Basically that's 7 to 19 millimeters. We're going to try to test it out, but we're not going to use the 19 millimeters bolt because that's basically a full-size socket that's 19 millimeters across. So we're going to use sizes between 7 and 19 and see if it's good, if it holds up to the promise. Now, in order to use the device, we're going to need to attach it to our cordless drill basically, and so we need a socket driver, something to connect this part to the driver itself, and we have one in the package. This is a 3/8 inch driver. It's a 9.5 millimeter driver. You just push it in and then you're able to connect the device all the way inside the drill like so. Now, you've all seen socket drivers on your ratchet wrenches or T-drivers. You've got the small one, which is 1/4 inch, that's 6.3 millimeters in size, and then a larger one, which is 3/8 inch, that's 9.5 millimeters, and even a larger one, usually around 1/2 inch, which is 12.5 millimeters. We're going to use this test rig, and I've pre-drilled some holes, 17 millimeters for this one, 13, 10 and an 8 millimeter. Now let's give it a go and see if it's any good. By the way, you can use an angled socket driver like this one, which you can get online. All you have to do is swap it out with a straight one, and there you have it. And you can use this holding this side and pressing down with your drill and turning the bolt. Now let's try to open them up. As you can see, it has no problems opening and closing the 17 millimeters and 13 millimeters bolts. But when it comes to the smaller sizes, the 8 and the 10, it had a little bit of a problem. You have to get it just right between these rods here in order for it to grip the head of the bolt, and that sometimes doesn't work. When it comes to strength, I actually used the maximum torque on my cordless drill, and it worked fine. But if you really need a lot of torque, you might want to use an open end spanner or wrench, or the closed side of it, or an adjustable wrench like this one. So, do you want one of these? Check out the link in the description below, or you could be the lucky subscriber and get it for free. if you enter our monthly giveaway detailed in the description below. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and make any comment to this video which includes your name in it. My final thought, this is a nice device. It's cool. If you have a lot of bolts of different sizes that you need to close or open, you should get one of these. The only drawback I found was that with the smaller diameters like the 8mm or 10mm bolts, it had sometimes a bit of a problem catching on using the different rods, so you had to try several times until it snapped into place and the grip was sufficient to turn the head. If you like these kind of videos, please consider giving us a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we issue a new video, and you can check out the different videos that we already have in our channel to see if there's anything you'd like. See you in the next one.